Hey guys, welcome back. I have about a tablespoon of oil warming up over here. If you watched our last video, it's right here. It was the vlog. We went shopping so that we could make these enchiladas. If you are new, thanks for stopping by. Hopefully you like what you're watching, so you will hit that notification bell so you can stay up with the Andersons. So today we are making the enchiladas for Krista's birthday. I have a medium onion here, so I'm going to get these onions done. And like I said, I have about a tablespoon and a half of oil in the pan. And this is going to go in our What's for Dinner playlist. So make sure you check that out. I have 3 chicken breasts here. And I'm going to season the chicken breast with some cumin, and you can just also use a pack of taco seasoning if you want. Let's turn the heat up some. So we'll get this side seasoned up. This is chili powder. We got some black pepper. And just some salt. This is just my salt shaker. My kitchen is red and black, so this is an apple. So we'll get these onions and chicken cooked on up. Turn that heat up some more. And we'll be right back. So we're back, and the chicken has been shredded. So now it's time to add the sauce and the sour cream. So I have the chicken all shredded and the onions are done. I am going to add, this is about I have the mild enchilada sauce. And I'm adding about a half a cup to the chicken and the onions. And you stir that up. Like it. Alright, into the chicken and the sauce and the onions, I'm adding a cup of sour cream. Some people don't add sour cream. I do. I always have, and I like it like that. I like how creamy it makes it. And that's it. Now it's time to assemble. All right, now it's time for assembly. And then we are going to get them in the oven just to melt the cheese. Got the sauce. You just pour just a little bit of sauce in the bottom. Just so they won't stick. I didn't measure. Just pour a little bit. There you go. And then the rest will go on top. So we have the sauce, the chicken, onion, sauce, and sour cream mixture, cheese, and the tortillas. Let's get chicken ready, and I got my assembly line ready. I have the 10-inch tortillas, flour tortillas. Some people like to use corn tortillas. It's just preference. I like the flour ones, and that's what I've always used. You can do it directly on the counter if your counter is clean. I just do it on the plate. So here we go. So you spoon it in there like that. If you want to, you can spoon a little bit of cheese in there for some extra cheesy goodness. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. You don't want your chicken,
Is that the chicken?
This is the chicken, yeah. And you don't want your chicken falling out. And then you just fold it over. Fold it over. Seam side down. Wait, I want to put a little bit more chicken in there. Fold it over, seam side down. Place it in the dish. That is it. Next one, your 6-inch Gracie tortilla.
Is that sauce in the bottom?
Yep, sauce in the bottom so they won't stick. Get a couple scoops of your mixture. Seam side down. Put it in the dish. Next, you guys get the hang of it. A couple scoops. So, and you just repeat the process. So I finished making the rest of the enchiladas, and I'll get them into the oven, 350 for about 20 minutes, because I'm going to top them with cheese, and I'll show you the cheese. And then I'll get them into the oven just so the cheese will melt, and then I'll let you see them, and then we'll eat them, and that'll be it. So I finished assembling the enchiladas. I was able to get 9. I usually get 10, but I forgot. I took a serving of meat out for Evie because she does not like red sauce anymore. So now it's time to spread the cheese. You just sprinkle the cheese all over. What am I doing, y'all? All right, so first, the rest of the sauce. I have mild, but they do have spicy. You just pour the rest of your sauce over. Does that look yummy, Evie?
No. That looks nasty. I don't like sauce no more. This gives me goosebumps.
all the sauce. Make sure you get your whole tortilla covered, otherwise it'll be crunchy. Out of the kitchen, Gus. And now your cheese. And it's just one bag of the Mexican blend. This is Sargento, but you can get any brand you like. And that is it. Cover it. That's my oven. I preheated it to 350. Everything is done. You just have to get that cheese melted. And you don't want it burned. That's why you have the foil. And you pop her in the oven for about 20 minutes. And you can take the foil off for the last 5 minutes if you want to brown it up a little bit. And that's it. So we'll get it in the oven. When I pull it out, I'll show it to you. And it'll be time to eat. And you can pair it with some with a salad, some breadsticks, garlic bread, whatever you want to.
Green beans.
Green beans, broccoli, yum. Or eat it by itself, whatever you want. Some guacamole, that's it. All right, so we'll be back and I'll show it to you. I didn't make her a scratch cake. She has a devil's food
Mom,
box cake.
I thought you were going to do a bigger cake.
What do you mean a bigger cake?
Like a bigger cake for the whole family to eat.
The whole family is eating this.
No, that's about as much cake that I can eat.
No. Y'all will get a slice of this.
Mommy, make sure you make it a pretty slice.
It's gonna be a gorgeous slice, I promise.
All cake slices are gorgeous.
Okay.
Mommy didn't feel like making a scratch cake.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm trusting you.
Oh, thank you. Right now. So here you go.
That
Here.
was the thumbnail.
What?
That was the thumbnail.
No, I ain't ready for that. Here, you can get the thumbnail. Get it with me.
Smile.
That's not the real smile. Smile like you're happy.
Do a big smile.
No, come on. This thing is heavy.
Well, it's video. You just gotta take a screenshot of it.
And the guests of the birthday girl are supposed to be nice. You're a guest. You're a guest.
All right, so I have Krista's plate ready, the birthday girl. So normally I do the first taste. So I have her plate all ready. And Daddy made Evie's plate. So there you go, birthday girl.
My favorite.
It's hot.
Oh, it is.
Just pulled them out of the oven. Wait, let's see what you got first. You got your enchilada, and I gave you some sour cream. She loves sour cream. She'll eat the whole thing of sour cream. Won't she, honey?
All right. All right.
All right, let's see. Taste it, Krista.
Great. I hope this brings back memories.
And Evie has a taco.
It brings back memories.
Well, happy birthday.
Thank you for making this, Mom.
You said,
Had me
Mommy.
running all around town with that face mask on.
It brings back memories.
I couldn't find my normal enchilada sauce. Yes, baby, you can eat now. Did y'all say your grace?
Mm-hmm.
Question. Come here, Christian.
Is it good? So how is that sauce? Because that's not my normal sauce.
It still tastes the same.
It does?
Mm-hmm.
And Evie
Have a taco.
has taco.
Yummy.
She has a ranch taco.
And it has cheese, sour cream, meat, and tomatoes.
And tomato. She has the meat, the chicken that Krista has, but just not. I took it out before I sauced it. Where's Gracie?
Oh, sweet.
She fell asleep. She ate at Granny's house before y'all came home.
She was saying she wasn't hungry.
You want me to fix your plate, honey? You got it.
Okay. Thanks. Want me to fix yours?
I'm not hungry. Enjoy.
Well, somebody's enjoying.
I think
Evie might be the funniest.
Does it taste the same, Christian?
Tastes right good.
Granddaddy. Well, the birthday enchiladas seem to have gone off well.
And the birthday taco.
In the birthday taco. Okay, so we have eaten. And now, the grand finale. Krista likes chocolate cake with chocolate icing. Drum roll, please. Happy birthday to you. Stop it, Gus.
He's singing.
He's singing.
Happy birthday to
you. Sing with us, Krista. Happy birthday, dear Krista. Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
With your bad self. Make a wish.
Blow out the candles. Make that a wish.
Happy birthday, big girl. Love you.
Love you, Mom and
Eat
Dad.
up.
And Gracie, and Christian, and Evie, and Gus, and Maine.
And Granny.
And Gus.
And that, folks, is a wrap. So thanks for watching. Thanks for coming by if you're new. If you like what you've been watching, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you comment down below. We always hit you back. I am tired. And as always,
Hit that. Hit
Hit
that.
that notification bell.
What she said.
we're tired, folks. Let's try that again. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always,
Hit that notification bell.
what they said.